Also, me and Ashley got a rider's pass. Yeah. So we got rider passes, which is like the new version of Baby Swap. It means basically you get the pass, you get to go on the fast pass line, and you get to get right on. So we got that, and we got on Space Mountain like 2 hours ago. And then, you know, after the electrical parade, we're like, hey, let's go twice. So we go on for the second time. One, we get there. They didn't let me save my ticket again because we didn't want to risk it because you're only supposed to use it like once, technically. Two, we sat in the very back. Very bad decision. Never gonna happen again because I got like whiplash and like popped my neck like twice. It's very uncomfortable. And three, we rode Space Mountain with the lights on. The lights were on. They weren't supposed to be, but some of them were. So
it was scary.
It was terrifying because we could see where all the bars were that we're not supposed to see because it freaks everybody out.
All I did was scream.
So
I can see the track.
We're screaming and Ashley's just yelling, I can see the track, I can see the track. And we're freaking out. So it was terrifying. So just so you know, yay! And now we're leaving. Here's the park, yay! Now I'm gonna walk backwards. And there's the castle. Yay!